like that down at the Woolpack. I would love to know what Edna Burks would make of it.
I think she'd choke on her sweet sherry. She'd be horrified.
She told me that we had to keep our tops buttoned up.
Really?
So
come on, done.
A quick note, after that performance, a message for the Emmerdale producers: install a car wash outside the Woolpack immediately, or a tractor wash at least. Have a look at that! Ladies and gentlemen, they really have been the village people for us tonight. It's our Emmerdale Stars!